Hello students. So now we have moved on to question number 48 from the code D. In this question we have been given that a ball is thrown vertically upwards, and if I have done so, I need to find out what is the variation of velocity with time. I need to find and plot the graph of variation of velocity with time if I have thrown a ball vertically upwards. The solution to this would be fairly simple. Now, since nothing has been given to the point from which I am releasing the ball, I'll just assume that I am releasing the ball at some height h, which is very great. That means I don't know whether this is close to, I'm sure that this is not close to ground. It can be as high as possible. Now, when I release the ball from here in the upward direction and assume that my upward direction is the positive, initially the ball will have some velocity, and that velocity, let that be equals to v. So initially at time t equals to 0, I am plotting my velocity on the y-axis and my time on the x-axis. So initially when I release the ball, it would have some initial velocity, and let that velocity be equals to v, and that is the velocity of ball at time t equals to 0. Now there would come a time when this ball would reach its maximum height and it would start coming down. We know that at the maximum height, the ball comes to momentary rest. So at that time, at some time t equals to t naught, the ball would attain a zero velocity or a zero speed. After that, its velocity would increase, but in that case, it would be increasing in the negative direction. So now my velocity would start again increasing from 0, but it would increase in the negative direction, and as there is no ground which has been mentioned in this question, it would go on increasing as the time increases. So this graph would then go on increasing as and when the time is increasing. So this would be the velocity time graph of a ball which is projected vertically upwards. I hope that you get this solution, and if you are liking our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hang on to this YouTube channel as we are going to upload more and more videos very soon.